friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Hoka One sneakers. So here we are, those sneakers. They came in this box. I got them in size 9.5, USA 9.5, UK 8, Europe 42, Japan 26.5. So it looks like this. I really like this color. So it looks like this. The sole has two parts, like two nice colors. One is of gray and one is lemon gray. The front is black and it has Hoka sign, white. On top it has mesh material. Mesh. Color looking I have two color laces, which is like this dark gray and pink, or is it violet. Inside we have this. Inside we have Hoka One time to fly, this kind of insert, and we have this thicker part here, and tongue is little also filled with some sponge. And they are nice. Here we say Bondi 7, but looks like this. We have this pull top, they have thick one. Sole is thick here and here is lower. So I will try them on and see if it. If not, I will have to return them. I got also another color, which I will show maybe in this video or next video, because maybe I will do separate video. I've got them on Zappos, by the way. Here is another one. Looks like this. Here I try them on. But I think this one not fit. Looks like this. One fit me well, but this one's slightly. will fit, but left one fit perfect, but the right one fit so. Like slightly narrow in the area, like in here. See, this one comes here and doesn't need more space, and this part seems like ever here a little bit, but maybe they won't be. They were breaking. That's what I like. Cause this one fit better. This one slightly small or slightly tight. I don't know how it will be after a longer time walking, if it will bother or not. Like so, like so, like so, like so. And then like so. Oh, here we are. Okay, that's it for unboxing for this Hoka Bondi. If you like such video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in the next ones. Bye.